Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy contracts on Robinhood. First, it's crucial to understand what options are. An options contract gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a certain date. Robinhood provides access to options trading for approved users, but it's essential to grasp the inherent risks before you begin. This type of trading can offer significant opportunities, but also carries substantial risk. Before you can trade options, you need to apply for options trading within your Robinhood account. This process involves answering a few questions about your financial experience, investment objectives, and risk tolerance. Robinhood reviews this information to determine your eligibility. Once approved, ensure your account is adequately funded. Options trading requires a certain level of capital, and it's wise to start with an amount you are comfortable potentially losing. To place an options trade, first find the stock you're interested in on Robinhood and tap Trade Options. You'll then choose between buying a call option if you expect the stock price to rise, or a put option if you anticipate a decline. Next, select an expiration date and a strike price that aligns with your market outlook. Always review the contract details, including the premium, which is the cost of the option, before confirming your order. Once you've placed an options trade, it's crucial to actively monitor your position. Market prices can fluctuate rapidly, impacting the value of your contract. You have the flexibility to close your position at any time before the expiration date by selling the contract. Remember, options can expire worthless if the underlying asset does not reach your chosen strike price. Always be aware of the potential for both substantial gains and significant losses in options trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.